This is Dolby Atmos.
Today we are checking out the Ultimea Skywave X70, a full 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos surround sound system with wireless rear speakers, 10-inch subwoofer and up to 980 watts of peak power. I previously reviewed the X50 where I was really impressed with the quality. Now let's check this out and discover if watching movies feel immersive on this one. The setup process is really easy. The rear speakers and subwoofer connect wirelessly, which makes the installation much cleaner compared to traditional home theater system with cables everywhere. And visually, I think the system looks premium. The black and gold design gives it a more high-end feel than many soundbars in this price range. The Skywave X70 is a true 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos system, meaning you get dedicated surround channels plus up-firing speakers that help create height and special effects. So when you watch action movies, live concerts, or even gaming content, sounds feel like they are moving around you instead of just coming from the front of the TV. Now let's talk about the subwoofer and bass. The 10-inch wireless subwoofer goes extremely deep, and during some movie scenes, your whole room might be shaking. But what I liked is that the bass does not completely fall apart at higher volumes. Sometimes cheaper systems become muddy or distorted when pushed hard, but this system keeps surprisingly good control. For music playback, especially cinematic music, hip-hop, EDM, gospel, and live concert recordings, the low end feels powerful and exciting. The center channel actually performs quite well, and there is also dedicated voice mode if you want clearer speech during movies or YouTube content. Another thing I really liked is the customization. Using the Ultimea app, you can adjust EQ settings, sound profiles, bass levels, surround intensity, and much more. So if you like more cinematic sound, more vocal clarity, or more balanced music playback, you can really tune the system to your taste. Connectivity is also very solid here. You get HDMI and eARC, Bluetooth 5.4, optical input, USB and 4K HDR pass-through support, which is great for modern TVs and streaming setups. Now, of course, no product is perfect. I do think the default tuning of the box can feel a bit bass heavy for some people. Personally, I adjusted the EQ slightly to get a more balanced sound for mixing references and movie dialogue. But the good thing is that the app gives enough control to fine-tune everything the way you like. Overall, I think the Ultimea Skywave X70 delivers a very impressive home theater experience, especially considering the price category it competes in. So if you enjoy movies, gaming, concerts, or simply want more immersive entertainment setup at home, I highly recommend checking out either X50 or X70 models. That's all for today's review. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like, and share this video because it really helps the channel a lot. See you in the next one.